Guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make an easy, healthy chocolate, wait, what was it? Well, I was gonna say chocolate chip. Easy, healthy chocolate protein bites slash balls slash snack, delicious, healthy, anything. I am pretty much following a recipe, but I'm adding something different to the recipe. We're gonna make like little balls. That's what we're gonna do because that's easier. That's it. First of all, you will need oats. And then we're gonna need, for sure, because this is one of the most important ingredients on this recipe that Naomi is about to invent. So the next one that you need to add is dates, a natural sweetener. I just love dates. This is pretty much what I always use to sweeten everything. I wanted to add sugar on something. This is my alternative. This is what I use them and work as energy booster. That's why this recipe is also called energy bites, because this little ingredient right here, which is amazing. The next thing that you're gonna need is peanut butter or almond butter, or in my case, I'm gonna use sunflower butter. This is it. I'm gonna use an organic sunflower butter, and just make sure when you're gonna use or peanut butter or almond butter, make sure it's without salt and without sugar, and make sure in the ingredients that it doesn't have that high processed fats that you really don't need them. The peanut butter or the butter that you're gonna use, it has to say pretty much, it just had peanuts, that's it. Almonds, that's it. Sunflower seeds, and that's it. That's it. Some peanut butter, they had palm oil, or they have another high processed fats that you really don't need, because the fats that you really want to get are the natural ones from the seed. Usually always use peanut butter or almond butter, but today I'm gonna try to do it with sunflower butter, which it has a lot of benefits. I make sure that it says organic as well. I completely prefer it to be salt-free, organic, and I always check on the ingredients so it won't have any nasties, because sometimes brands do that. They hide those ingredients on the product, so it's really good for you to be aware of that and just to have the healthy benefits of the natural peanut, almond, sunflower seed butter. And yeah, so let's continue, because I love chocolate so much. So this is the one that I'm going to use. Also, I'm going to use hemp seed. It's a great source of protein, and it has a lot of great benefits. And the last thing, but not least, you're going to use your preference of protein. In this case, I'm going to be using Huel, which is a vegan protein, and I'm going to be using this for this recipe. So Huel, it's amazing because it includes sunflower seeds as well. It has rice, peas, flaxseed, oats, and coconut, which is amazing. And you're gonna need a blender, and that's it. That's all you guys need for this recipe. Mommy is about to make an easy, healthy chocolate protein energy bites. Are you guys excited? No? Girl. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, support your girl and give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification button so you will never miss a future video. Alright, so without further ado, guys, let's get started, because I feel like I've been talking already like an hour, so I need to do this. Let's get started, shall we? Alright guys, so that was it. We have our protein bites ready to go to the fridge. Yeah, we're gonna put it in the fridge for about like 15 to 20 minutes and then let's see how it goes. So yeah, let's put it in the fridge. I love candles so much. It brings such a great vibe to my house. I'm still waiting. Well, now that I'm waiting, let's have a little bit of a conversation, a girl talk here, like a short little talk. I am really not too strict with my diet. I try to eat healthy, like in a balanced lifestyle. I really don't follow like a diet. I just eat whatever I feel like I want to eat, but I also know that it's not causing me any harm. Like, I know that sometimes like eating a cheat meal, it's okay, but like I try not to do it as often as I used to. I really don't count macros. I really don't count how many of fat I eat during the day, how much of protein, how much of carbs or anything like that. I really don't track that. I don't weight my food. I just listen to my body. I really do. Yeah, so for me, following a healthy lifestyle, it's just not being strict with your diet. It's just following a balanced lifestyle because I believe that it's healthier. I believe being strict is not healthy. So that's what I stand for and try to be healthy mentally, physically. And for me, it's very important to take care of being mentally healthy. Body just follows what you think and how do you feel about yourself. I follow a routine to make myself feel self-empowered, to make myself feel motivated, to make myself feel inspired. And for me, that's being healthy. So showing up for yourself every single day and just killing it. It's just work your hardest every single day, and sometimes taking a break, it's okay, it's totally fine. Taking a break, it's fine, it's balance. It's always just going back on track and doing your best as you can, but not be too strict on yourself. Thank you guys for listening to this mini girl talk. Let's give it a try to the protein bites. The good healthy protein, the good healthy sugar, the good healthy fats, the good healthy carbs are all here in this energy protein bite that you can make easily at home. Let's give it a try. Oh my god! You guys, dates are so sweet. I think it wouldn't be the same without a date. So please, if you're gonna make this recipe, don't forget the dates. It's a great source of snack. So whenever you feel like you want to snack on something, it's a great healthy option. That's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, and show some love, and if you didn't like it, it's okay. I still respect everyone's opinion. So yeah. Oh, look at that. It probably doesn't look so tasty, but trust me, it is so tasty. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next one. Bye.